Here is how to get YouTube Premium. This guide works on both phones and computers. So first of all, if you're on a mobile device, tap on your profile icon by going to the YouTube application. It's usually in the top right, but it can be in the top bottom right as well. Then find the option of Get YouTube Premium button on the page and tap on it. And you may need to scroll down to find it, and you'll be taken to the YouTube Premium page. In the case if you're using a computer, go to youtube.com, log into your account, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, and there tap on purchases and memberships. Then tap on YouTube Premium option and tap on Learn More, and you'll be taken to the YouTube Premium page. You'll also get the option of trying YouTube Premium for 1 month for $0. Tap on this option over here. Select your plan, which is individual, family, or student, and tap on Try 1 month. After confirming your choice, you need to choose your payment method and enter your payment information and click on Buy. And your YouTube Premium membership will be now active and the benefits will start immediately. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.